To create a free website using this AI tool, go to the Hocus AI website. You can find the link in the video description. Enter your email address and click the Create My Website button to begin. Choose your website category from the list or enter your own theme in the prompt bar. Click Continue and select the services you want to offer. After that, choose your website, target, or purpose. And add your business address, or choose online business only if you don't have a physical address. Enter your business name. And select 3 aspects of your business. Specify how visitors can contact you. And customize your website style. Color palette. And font pairs. Once you've found the best combination, click Create My Website to start generating your AI website. The AI tool will provide a website editor for customization if needed. You can change the logo, edit website items menu, or make any desired modifications. Click View Website to see your live website. Here is a live version of the website from this Hocus AI website builder tutorial. You can also use your own domain name by following the instructions. Go to the Leah AI website, link provided in this video description, and click the Get Started button. Enter your business or category and click Next to continue. You have the option to answer AI questions for detailed creation, or simply click Just Build My Website for a simpler process. Enter your email address to confirm you're not a bot, as this AI tool is not fond of bots. And then click View It to see your website. You can directly edit your website by modifying its menu, text, images, sections, or any other parts you want to change. Click the Live button in the bottom left of the screen to view your live website. Here is a live version of the website from this Leah AI website builder tutorial.